BOARKE is of spirit to continue research and innovate. Under our BOARKE group, we have three main departments: the wood CNC machines, outdoor white-bed sanding machines. Also, with more and more factories are seeking for the complete line, or even the whole factory solutions, our BOARKE whole blade planning department is a key player for help on this. Over the past near 35 years, BOARKE worked with 48 agents at different regions. We don't just build it and sell high-quality machines, but we are implement suitable technology in the foreseeable woodworking future. Our goal is to always provide machines that fit to our customers' pocket. And we can offer segmental improvement to optimize and integrate their hardware and software on the production line. Are now rapidly trending from single standalone models to more connectivity and building an automatic production line. BOARKE's whole planning has served our customers in need of integrated solutions for over 15 years. We can easily link all types of machinery from different brands, different countries, and provide a much easier path for our customers to upgrade their production. BOARKE's design department not only offers customized machinery planning, but we also created a mobile app for simple after service and immediately support needs. When the time goes on, we will always offer the right product and timely assistance to support our customers.